Hoque, Chancellor of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya USTM, ula pynshai pat ba menta kasing halor ke jingtho ka ba ula bo ha ki rinsan social media ka bala mi pat ke jing sapriang bat ke jing perkhat bakla de ki babun kani ke jingtho kala ya day bat ka Mission Educational Rehabilitation ka thong jong ka USTM bat ka ERDF ban ai jing puli a shiki khenna ki badan sam bat ki bla shah kan taj school bat shah kyndang na ka sarkar Assam ha bakran chila pathai kubor ha ka janmiet u Hoque ula pynshai ba ka jingtho jong u kam dei satya ka bathmu ban penmi jing ya ka ja henry ka dei ka thong ban kersha ni ki tu ki khnaret ki ba dei Hoque ban yo ka jing puli ulo ong ba ka te ka jing sngo tho bakla ka wan na ka jing lam bakla da ki kat tu kat ni bat bon ki bla pen biet pa ba da ka ba pen pau ba ka USTM ka dei ka school ba ka ba persha sarkar Assam la ni ka ba ai jakari ye ki bar jala ki balong be an bat bakla ula pynshai ba ka te ka jing tho ka dei ka ba ula tho tang ha ka por pu dang shong hakat len sun bat ka jing priang ye ki khenna ba shamla nan kala don lupa na du ki snam ki bla let nyo wat la ka taru ula banjur ba ka USTM kam dani a ban le persha ye ki kendon sarkar henry ka aila tang sha ki tu ki khna ki ba dei Hoque bat bala ban pynshai lengba ki kwat ki sla ba pyang
In the social media, I was sitting in the airport and I thought that many people are requesting. You have seen this video from one lady that they know our beginning and legacy of our educational institutions, that along with the students who are paying fees and studying here, along with this, we always adopt the students who are unable to pay and come to our educational institutions. So this educational rehabilitation is a very old kind of initiative, outreach initiative for the poor, meritorious and affected students. So with this mind, I have given this statement because many people are requesting. Even last year also we have adopted children. Many students we have adopted from Meghalaya and other states also in the USTM for their education. But specifically this I have given for the school children, small children. And when I have given these statements, everyone have praised, media has praised, but suddenly it has twisted, and some of them political people, they have given the interpretation of this in a different angle. But I am not interested to give the reply of it because these are all political statements. Even from some NGOs from Meghalaya, they have approached to us and we have clarified they are happy with this. They thought that because I am the chancellor of the university, they thought because I am known for USTM and USTM is known for that, someone Mr. Mahbubul Hoque is there. So they have connected this entire initiative with USTM, but is nothing like to do with the USTM. This is for the children's rehabilitation, small children's, orphan children's, strife affected children's, violence affected children's. It is happening. Now there is eviction is going on in the state. It is known to everyone. It is known to the country. It is known to the whole world that there is eviction is going on. I don't have any connection with the evicted. I said that evicted families, if we find any genuine students, helpless, homeless, and these are the words written in my statement. So I will be adapting them. And when we will be adapting, our next academic session will be started in 2026. We find that some genuine students are there where we can contribute for their education. Then what is the loss on it? That was our understanding. But unfortunately, they have been misinterpreted. We don't have any space in the campus. We are unable to give the kind of accommodation. If you come to university, we have a limited hostel facility. There is no space here to accommodate students. Many students are staying outside. Their parents are asking that you provide more hostels, but we are unable to construct more hostels here. So there is no question of adopting someone, rehabilitate someone in our university for higher education or for something. It is a common approach every time in our prospectus. It is written. You can see our prospectus that in such situations, we provide, if students are eligible to take admission, we give them free education. That is the all everything regarding this rehabilitation program. And now the people are trying to misinterpret it, connect it in different way. We thought that we should not talk about rehabilitation initiative now for time being.